Hey everyone, we're going to use quadratic techniques to solve this polynomial equation, m to the fourth minus 625. So basically what I'm going to do is, we have the definition of quadratic form, but I want to use this because we only have two terms, and 625 is a perfect square. So one way to do this is to write it in this quadratic form. So if we do that, we want an a squared minus b squared and set this to 0. So that way we can expand it. So to get to the fourth, this is going to be m squared. And then to get a square here, this is going to be 25. So now if you expand this, you're going to get m squared minus 25 times m squared plus 25 equals 0. Now this can be factored even further, or you could just solve it, but this would, since we're just solving using our expansion, this would be m minus 5 times m plus 5. So let's solve this one equals 0. This one's going to give you m equals, if you set this to 0, you get positive 5. If you set this one to 0, you get negative 5. You could have also just set this whole piece to 0, m squared equals 25, taken the square root of both sides, and gotten the same answer. So there's that. Now let's look at this one. So we're going to write m squared plus 25 equals 0. So if m squared equals negative 25, let's square root both sides. And don't forget your plus and minus. So you get m equals plus or minus, and I'm going to split this up as square root of negative 1 times square root of 25. That's going to give me m equals plus or minus square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of negative 1 we're going to call I. All right, so these are your 4 solutions. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.